Welcome to Chrissy's Cancer-Free Life. Just because I live a sugar-free life, to have a cancer-free life, it doesn't mean that I can't enjoy some sweet treats now and then, without the sugar. I've created some amazing desserts, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorites. It's called Walnut Double Chocolate Bark. Let's take a look at the ingredients to make this recipe. 1/4 cup of monk fruit in place of sugar, 1/4 cup of pure cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of organic coconut oil, 1/2 cup of organic sugar-free peanut butter, and this one has peanuts in it, 1/2 teaspoon of organic pure vanilla extract. Be sure to read your label on your vanilla extract because many of them include sugar. And then 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. Let's put it together. Use only half of this chocolate mixture and reserve the other half for later in the recipe. Spread the chocolate out on top of the parchment paper lined cookie sheet or pan. You can spread it into any shape. You could even shape it into a heart. Now this is going to go into the freezer, so it will get nice and firm, and we'll move on to the next step. Here's the one ingredient I didn't mention yet, and it's my favorite, white chocolate chips. I use Lily's sugar-free white chocolate chips. They are excellent. And I put them in a double boiler, and I just melt these white chocolate chips into a little sauce. Yeah, some people like to melt their chocolate chips in the microwave. Do that, sure. I like the old-fashioned way. Probably because I burnt chocolate in the microwave too many times. Okay, now we've melted our white chocolate chips, and we're going to take them, this chocolatey sauce, and spread it right all over top of the frozen chocolate. Getting all of it I can. White chocolate's my favorite. Spread it. Get it to the edges. It's okay if it's a little bit thick in some spots. And now final step is taking the rest of the chocolate that was left over and pouring it right on top of that. And cover the white chocolate. Okay, you get the picture now, right? Alright, get it to the edges. It has walnuts in there. It's going to be crunchy. It will be in the freezer and getting it nice and firm. Okay, that part's done. Now it goes into the freezer. The 3 layers of chocolate have been in the freezer for about 30 minutes now, and it's nice and solid. So turn it upside down and carefully peel off the parchment paper. Then you can either break this up into chunks or cut it with a knife and break it up from there. This does get a little bit messy to handle after about 10 minutes at room temperature. So for serving to others, I set a bowl of the chocolate bark on top of a dish of ice to keep it chilled. Store the walnut double chocolate bark in a covered container in the fridge or the freezer. Enjoy!